The HRC Encino office serves as the main center for two of our regional offices, which are located in West Los Angeles and Westlake Village. The Encino practice itself is divided into two sections, HRC Fertility and RSA, Reproductive Surgical Association. Upstairs at HRC, we have our beautiful clinical facility. This is where day-to-day office visits, consultations, and simple treatments are administered. The waiting room is meant to be spacious and comfortable, so a sense of privacy is maintained. Patients check in here with one of our friendly staff members. On the first visit, patients will see their provider in one of our doctor's offices that serves as our consultation areas. We have also built a series of private rooms for educational purposes. As patients go through treatment, they often need to go over their calendars or their treatment protocol with the doctors or the nurses, and we have plenty of rooms to do that privately. The day-to-day care for infertility treatment requires a number of office visits for ultrasounds, blood tests, and similar procedures. Here at HRC, we have a central nurses area, several blood drawing stations, and an andrology lab where semen specimens are analyzed and processed for insemination treatments. We also provide a comfortable area for men who are producing in the back of the office, so the process remains private. Our office boasts a number of ultrasound rooms, so we are able to move patients in and out of the office quickly without wasting their time. A chair is also provided in the ultrasound room for the patient's partner to make everybody feel part of the treatment process. Our Encino office is one of the few facilities that has acupuncture treatment available on site. In these rooms, patients can take advantage of that option. One room we built specially was the second waiting room. Some patients, particularly our egg donors and surrogates, may come into the office for their appointment with children, and that can be difficult for some of our childless couples. This second waiting room allows for us to protect the comfort level of all of our patients. One particularly exciting feature of our facility is our state-of-the-art surgery center and IVF lab. Embryo transfers are performed here in large rooms with enough seating for the patient's partner if they are present. In our spacious 21st century IVF lab, we have many different incubators. Patients benefit from this in that it improves security so that there are not a lot of patients in one single incubator. In our lab, we also do microinjections for people that need intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI, and these special microscopes are used for that process. Additionally, embryos can be biopsied under these microscopes for pre-implantation genetic diagnosis screening, PGD. The incubator is used to keep the tissues in a controlled environment when our embryologists are looking for embryos and eggs. In these freezers, embryos or sperm can be stored, and separate from that, our lab has its own sperm bank. This is the surgery center area. It is fully accredited, and patients can come to RSA for different procedures, including egg retrievals for IVF, laparoscopies, and hysteroscopies. Patients will begin here in our pre-operation area. This is one of two of our operating rooms where we can perform different procedures. We have two operating rooms, so we can do more than one procedure at a time if needed. Full anesthesia equipment is present in both rooms. This is our CR machine for performing x-rays during the hysterosalpingogram test, known as the HSG test, that many patients need at the beginning of their treatment process. We also have full state-of-the-art laparoscopy and hysteroscopy equipment. After surgery, patients then retire to our recovery room area. This area has extra space so that all patients have their privacy. At HRC Fertility and RSA, we take great pride in our convenient and high-quality facilities, and we are committed to providing our patients with a safe and comfortable experience.